Hello everyone, good morning to everyone. Sabir Hussain is here, research student doing research in United States. In this video, we will discuss most important thing, how we can make a good and effective email to grab the most professor attention so that we can get maximum reply. Because the most important thing is first, whenever professor sees your email, then the next step is your CV. So we will discuss step by step first how we can make a good email to grab the professor attention, and then afterwards in the next upcoming videos we will discuss the most important steps or the things that must be included in our resume. So today I will discuss one of the Professor Nature article regarding the how we can approach professor via email. So I hope that this professor email writing email will be very effective for you. So please follow and listen all these suggestions carefully. So let's share my screen, and I will also read that how we can make a good and effective email. Hello guys, so this is the recent article published in the Nature. Professor write this how to cold email for a PhD. So he shared a very effective email. So let's discuss. This was recently published in 20 March 2023. So let's go down and share the most important thing. Yeah, greetings, body, these are the things that must be included. But here is the basically an example of this might be something like this. Like, dear professor, you must need to write a complete name. Please be consider this. You must need to write a complete name or at least the last name of professor and write dear. I am a master student in the department of whatever science at XYZ University. I read with interest your paper on applying the sophisticated research method to advanced excellent science. Here you can change your research direction, and was particularly interested in your improvements to the sophisticated research method. My master thesis was focused on whatever you can write and change here. Very impressive data set to inform the sophisticated research method. This work has been undertaken under the supervision of professor. You can write the professor master supervisor name here. Then we have found that very impressive data significantly improve the performance of sophisticated research method. Here you can mention your brief, objective and significant from your master research, and I plan to submit this research to the journal of excellent, whatever you can write the journal that you are going to submit. My thesis, you can write you can include your thesis, but I don't suggest. You can only include your CV and academic transcript are attached to this email. I am looking for a PhD opportunities in the area of XYZ and write to ask if you are currently taking on new students. So you can, in this way you can ask very politely, I am interested in exploring the research opportunities that use even more sophisticated research methods to discover new knowledge in excellent science. In addition to my skill in this area, I have a background in aligned discipline through my undergrad degree, and I have also taken graduate level course in an adjunct discipline. Your research group is an ideal fit for my background and interest, and I welcome the opportunity to discuss possible PhD opportunities with you. Regard, so you can write your name here. So I hope that this will be very